With question number 6, a village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. That means what? Each person in the village uses how many liters of water in a day? 150 liters. Okay. It has a cubical tank of dimension given to us, linear by into height. For how many days will the water of this tank last? Okay. So we'll first find the volume of this tank and then convert the meter cube into liters. Okay. So let's first find the water in terms of liter. Okay. How much it can be stored here in this cubical tank. So volume of the tank, linear by into height, already given to us, right? So when you multiply, you're going to get what? 1800 meter cube. So like I said, we'll convert this meter cube in terms of liter, and we already know 1 meter cube equals how many liters? 1000 liter. Okay, so simply multiply and convert it into liter. Then once you multiply, this is the amount of water that can be stored here in this cubical tank here. Okay, now let us find the how much amount of water the whole villagers use. Okay, so consumption of water per day. So we know that 150 liter is used by one villager, right? But how many villagers are there? There are 4,000. So you simply have to multiply, and we'll get that the entire village uses this much amount of liters of water in a day. Clear? Now they're asking us to find how long the water in the tank will last, right? So we simply have to divide. Okay, water in a tank divided by water consumed in a tank. So water in a tank, this is how much that we got, this is what we got, and then water consumed in a day, we just got it right now, right? The entire village, right? So divide, then we can divide the zeros. Since they are 5 5, I can just divide them, and then 6 1 6 6 3 is 18. So if we know that the water in the tank will last for 3 days. All right, next question number 7, a go down measures the dimension has been given to us. Find the maximum number of wooden crates. Okay, measuring one, they've given a dimension again that can be stored in the go down. So what is a go down? It's a place for storing, right? So remember, this is really huge. Okay, you can even see from the dimension, right? 40 meter, 25 meter, height is 15 meter. So they're asking how many of these wooden crates can be stored here in this go down. Okay, so how do you do this? We simply have to find the volume and then find the volume of both of this and then divide them. Clear? So dimension of the go down given to us, linear by into height, and dimension of the wooden crates has also been given to us, right? So I'm doing the division by 10 by 110 so that we'll not have decimal numbers. Okay, 1.5 instead of that, better write 15, right? Same thing here, 1.25, I want to write 125, so it will be divided by 100. Same thing here, 0.5, I want to write it as 5, so it will be divided by 10. Clear? So now we'll do the division in order to find a number of wooden crates that can be stored in a go down. Okay, so like I said, volume of the go down divided by volume of each wooden crates, right? So now there's what I've written here. So you can see this division, right? If I try to change this division to multiplication, remember these two will change their places, right? So I'll have here what? 40 into 25 into 15. Like I said, I want to change this division into multiplication. The lower, they will change their position. So 10 into 100 into 10 will be divided by 15 into 125 into 5, right? So this is what we will get here, right? Now once we're done with that, we'll start a division. So I can divide 15 ones are 15 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, then 5 5s are 25. So I'll have here at a numerator 8 into, when you multiply 10 into 100 into 10, you will simply get 10,000, right? At last, at a denominator, you already know 5 is there, so 8 into 10,000 divided by 5. And once you're done with it, divide 5 and 8, right? So 5 ones are 5, then 3, then 0.0, 5 6 are 30. So I'll have a 1.6 into 10,000 into 10,000, right? So when you multiply these two, this is what you will get. 16,000 is what we got, right? So we will know from here that how many wooden crates can be stored. 16,000 wooden crates can be stored in the go down.